Hi, Derek Alba here with Elite 3 Pro. We're here at the TOLA Expo on day 2. I'm here with Jason Lindell from MetraAV. How you doing today, Jason?
I'm great, man. I'm great.
So
Good
first
day.
of all, thank you for coming here and supporting
Absolutely.
our region.
100%.
I know you have a very large assortment of products that can really help our integrators. Can you tell us a little bit about MetraAV?
Absolutely. So MetraAV's been in business for over 75 years, parent company based out of Daytona Beach, 6 warehouses throughout the country. So we have plenty of resources available wherever they may be. Our Dallas warehouse will basically cover the TOLA area, which is nice, one of our largest stocked warehouses. We carry 12 categories, pretty much everything from bulk wire to connectors, electronics, HDMI accessories, wall mounts, just a vast array, kind of a one-stop shop for the dealers.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. What we do the best and what we're known for industry-wide over the last 25 years is HDMI and HDMI solutions for solving the problems of what is HDMI. And we all know it's been an issue over the years. We make the longest extension devices available, fiber HDMI, 8K, that can go 100 meters. We have extenders and balins for the people that know them in different terms. That'll go 120 meters, 4K, so that's 400 feet over a category cable where we could only go 70 meters before. We do make HDMI solution devices, so when the customers have issues in the field with black screen, audio dropouts, any type of HDMI issue, we have fixes to solve that. So a lot of good product, great quality. Warranties, our electronics are 12 years, like on our matrix switches, our balins, our electronic solution pieces, lifetime warranty on cables. Great partner to have. Full staff, 4 techs on staff, 6 days a week. So in-house in Daytona Beach, Florida, where we're based, so very easy to get tech support. Doesn't have to be our product. Our guys can take care of any type of HDMI issues that ever arise in the field.
Great. That sounds amazing. And I see you have a lot of products here,
Yes,
so what we'll do is kind of do a walkthrough and take a look at some of your products.
Sure, absolutely. In our booth today, a few different products, a couple samples of some wall mounts, power relocation kits. We do have speaker selectors, splitters and switchers, any type of audio extension devices that you would need to backtrack audio from the TV. We carry all of that product, right down to volume controls, simple little connectors, toss link, complete 360 rotational input, so extension devices. From there, we get into a lot of the audio stuff, down mixing, nice product there. What that'll allow you to do is pull audio off of an Apple TV and then down mix it into second zone if need be. The output is always hot. That's a really popular item, right around $100 cost. So it's a very good problem-solving device. Some of the other products that we do very, very well, matrix switching, 4x1 multi-viewer is a very popular product of ours. HDMI solutions is what we do the best. We have an AIO piece, which what this is an all-in-one unit. It has three major features: EDED repair, and it has voltage injection, and it also has a voltage it's actually a contact closure built into it for control systems. So when you're switching from source to source and back and forth, this will do an automatic hot plug reset. That's a pretty key feature to have in an HDMI system. Long run is what we do the best. We have 8K, 48 gig capable fiber optic AOC cables that will go 100 meters, so 330 feet, plug it in, and it works. We make them in all different sizes, right down to a 5 meter if need be, for 8K. No, we're not there yet, but always good to be prepared. Then we get into more fiber stuff. We do have bulk fiber, and we also do have our own fiber termination kit, so that for around 160 bucks for the kit, buy your connectors and then 1 box of wire and you're in the fiber game. And fibers come down so much that it's somewhere around 27 cents a foot now, where Cat 6 is going up so high. This product here is actually coming into its own now, highest bandwidth available on fiber. One of our most popular selling balins is this 120 meter 4K with HD base T. So it'll allow you to do HDR, 4K, all of the high-end stuff you need at long distances. Another one of Metra's awesome categories is our surveillance lineup product called SpyClops. With SpyClops, security is a really big issue these days, and we want to stay ahead of the game. So we offer everything from your mini cameras to full size, varifocal, non-varifocal, autofocus, right on up to PTZ, pan tilt zoom cameras. A little bit of product for everybody in the security aspect. We do offer 4, 8, 16, out to a 64 channel MBR. So you can do commercial projects with our product or the residentials. We also do carry camera kits, and with the camera kits, 4, 8 channel, they can be either coax cameras, or we also have them in IP PoE cameras, up to 4K. So an 8 channel 4K kit basically give you everything you need and records 4K, live view in 4K if you're using a 4K type monitor. Just a really solid, great product. Product line has been around for many years. It does have a 3-year warranty on all the cameras and MBRs, and then hard drives would be a year. So this is a really exciting category for us as we grow going forward. We have the artificial intelligence cameras coming. We also have the temperature cameras coming. So there's a lot of neat things coming down the pipe for these. Our product is not Dahua or Hikvision backed. So we're not in that realm where it's questionable to be used in certain applications. Our products can be used, and very shortly we'll also be able to moving into the NDAA cameras, which would be used in municipalities, government locations, things like that. So a lot of great product here at Metra. We're excited to have Elite 3 as our reps. And if you ever have any questions, you can reach out to our office or to your Elite 3 rep in your area, and we'll get you solved.